Welcome to Medallion's Resident Portal, My Medallion, your home away from home. The portal allows you an easy and simple way to pay your rent online, check balances, submit maintenance requests, communicate, and book amenities. Your portal is available on any internet-enabled device, your smartphone, computer, tablet, or laptop. You can also download the mobile app in the App Store. Let's get straight to it. You will receive an automated welcome email from Medallion with an easy-to-access link to sign into your account. If an email was not sent, you will receive a one-time security code from your manager or on a welcome letter. Go to medallioncorp.com and then click on My Medallion. Find your property, which will take you to the login page. Once here, you will register by filling out your name, email address, and password of your choice, as well as enter the security code you received. Click Next and voila! You now have an account. Go ahead and choose whether you want to set up a payment method now or just click Done to add it in later. Note the pop-up message asking whether you would like to enable SMS text messages for certain notifications. You can always update your preferences in My Profile, found by clicking your name in the top right corner. Before making a payment, you will need to create a payment method. Select one of the three options, then click Next. Fill out the full form provided. You have now created a payment method and can go ahead and make a payment. Choose the payment method that you have just created. You can choose to pay the set amount provided or an amount of your choice. By clicking Next, you will see a breakdown of your payment and can finalize your payment. Once the payment is completed, you are able to print your receipt. But note, you will always be able to access the receipt in the Payment History section. Auto payments are a great way to set it and forget it. To create an auto-recurring payment, click the Auto Payments button. Follow the same steps as making a one-time payment, then click Next. Here you can add a description to remember your schedule and then choose the start date. If you'd like to, you may also set an end date. By clicking Next, this finalizes your auto payment. Now you won't have to worry about paying your rent on time each month. The last thing we will go through here is creating a maintenance request. Click Create and fill out all the details in the form provided. For quicker service, please make sure you check off Yes for authorizing entry. You also have the option to add a picture. On a computer, you can upload a file, and on a smartphone or tablet, just snap a picture. Once completed, click Create. The request will automatically be sent to management, and as the requests get updated, you will receive notifications keeping you updated. Messages can also be sent regarding the specific ticket for updates on your maintenance request. Feel free to browse our other portal features, such as booking an amenity, messages, or providing proof of insurance. For any technical questions with our portal or to get help accessing the portal, please contact the PayQuad support team at support@payquad.com or call the support number at 1-888-385-9037. If you have any questions regarding rent or maintenance, please speak to your manager on site. We hope you really enjoy using our new, easy-to-use and convenient My Medallion portal.